Whenever I travel through states with beautiful nature, places with mountains, rivers, and lakes, I always take a moment to plan my route carefully. Before I hit the road, I check for scenic spots along the way where I can park my truck safely and take a short walk. Spending time in nature helps me recharge my mind and body. After long hours behind the wheel, there's nothing better than stepping out, breathing in the fresh air, and enjoying the peace and quiet of the outdoors. These moments remind me why I love being on the road, not just for the miles, but for the views, the silence, and the freedom. Do you take breaks like this when you travel?